Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kaisararam from PrepExcellence. Many of our summer courses have already started, including two coding courses, then all of our summer enrichment courses. However, we still have a few that have not started and are going to start. So let me just quickly tell you all about those. Of course, we have the SAT Premium Strategies, which is starting on July 19th. This is a 6-week course meeting Monday and Wednesday 2 to 5 p.m. And in this course, we primarily teach the SAT strategies that are needed to do well. And as we all know, that SAT is primarily a reasoning test. So you have to know the proper strategies to do well. They ask some questions in a very strange manner, let's say. Then we will have the SAT Weekend Review, August 14th and 21st, 2 Saturdays, where we will review all the essential strategies of the SAT for all 4 sections. In this one, we cover basically all the materials that we cover in SAT Premium Strategies, but of course, this would be a very rapid course. So we really, this is useful for reviewing, for somebody who has been preparing, and for somebody who just wants to figure out how this test is. Then we are going to have a college application extended workshop on August 1st, Sunday. It will be total 6 hours, and we will have all the attendees doing activities on major and career selection, college list and selection, college visit scheduling, application process, letter of recommendation, then how to save money while applying, how about college costs and scholarships, then applying for Ivy League schools, building resume, basic essay training. And then we will have some exclusive parent seminars. We will have cohort follow-ups so that the students can see how they are doing, or how they are as they are making progress through the process. We want to have 2 follow-ups in August, then 1 each in September, October, November, December, and then 2 next year. Most likely one mid to late February, and another one mid to late April. We will advise them about their when they hear back from schools, and also when they hear back about their financial package. Then we are going to have a college essay workshop. This is where we will have a fairly intensive workshop that will help the students write their first draft of the essay. We will start from the very basics and then take them through multiple activities so that they are able to figure out exactly what are the things that they need to put on their essay, and it will be individual for everybody, right? So we have to teach them basically how to do this process, and then finally they will have a first draft of their essay, which then what we are going to do is then they are going to take it home. They will review and revise, and then they will send it to us. We are going to have 2 rounds of expert review from a top college essay company that we will take their service from. And anything additional we might be able to help them out with, but this will be included in the price itself. Hopefully I will see you all in one of our courses, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.